All right. It's actually snowing a little bit. And look what we have right here. That's right, an old Dover. See the COP in there. But how about we do something even better? Actually go in and ride it. That's right. Look at this. All right, let's take a ride. I don't see an indicator going down. Whoa! That didn't feel good. This place is very liminal. Oops, I gotta pull my mask up. Let's just get a look around this awesome cab before we go anywhere. This thing is so cool. This is awesome. I love the bricks. I love just this cab, but especially with the stained glass on the ceiling, the carpet on the walls, everything about it is just so delightfully vintage. All right, here's your COP. Such a funky building, I love it. All right, back down to 1, or B. Whoop. Look at that.